Welcome everyone. Imagine two particles on the opposite side of the universe. You know the distance between the opposite sides of the universe? It is of the order of billions of light years. That idea you have, I think. Anyway, so in this case, two particles we have taken, okay? Just this is our imagination, and they are deeply linked, means their properties are deeply linked in such a way whenever you are changing the state of one particle, immediately, means instantly, that affects the other one. If this be the case, if this is happening in reality, then we say that this is a case of quantum entanglement, means those two particles are entangled quantumly. Yes, this happens only in the quantum world. If the particles are entangled in the quantum world, then in that case, this thing happens. Whenever you are changing the state of one particle, immediately that affects the other one. Okay, and Einstein famously called this spooky action at a distance. Actually, Einstein couldn't believe this. Okay, this was against his belief, and related to this, he along with the other two physicists, okay, Einstein along with the other two physicists, Podolsky and Rosen. That means Einstein, Podolsky and Rosen, together they presented a paper known as EPR Paradox, EPR, first letters of Einstein, Podolsky and Rosen, so EPR. So they presented the EPR paradox and questioned the idea of quantum entanglement. And I have already mentioned that Einstein famously called this as a spooky action at a distance. According to Einstein and his team, okay, according to them, they believed that there must be some hidden variables, means there must exist some hidden variables for which this is happening. So, in the 1960s, physicist John Bell proposed an experiment to test this idea. To test this idea means idea of Einstein. According to him, some hidden variables must exist. He conducted, means John Bell, physicist John Bell conducted the experiment and found the result. The result was astonishing. Result was what? Result was quantum entanglement is real. There is no involvement of hidden variables. Means quantum entanglement, this phenomenon was confirmed by the experiment proposed by physicist John Bell. That means Einstein's idea, spooky action, that was dismissed by this experiment. That means this phenomenon is actually instant and non-local. You know, objects interact through forces, but there is an involvement of distance, like electromagnetism or gravity. There is a definite range, but here in the case of quantum entanglement, there is no limit of the distance. There is no limit of the range. There is actually no range. Whatever be the distance between the particles, they remain always linked, they remain always connected. This sounds like science fiction, but this is the reality. Okay, and this does not belong to physics or science. Scientists are already using this phenomenon, quantum entanglement, in case of technology, such as quantum computing. This phenomenon, quantum entanglement, enables quantum computers to make faster calculation. Okay, means incredible speed in the information processing has been achieved by the use of quantum entanglement. That is the benefit or advantage of quantum computers over classical ones. By using classical computers, you could not do such calculations, such faster calculations. Even supercomputers are not able to make calculations so fast. Okay. Again, in the case of a quantum cryptography, to make your information ultra secure, means to make the data ultra secure, quantum cryptography is used, and quantum cryptography has become possible only due to the phenomenon quantum entanglement. There are so many things where you would find the application of quantum entanglement. Again, nature also uses this, such as for bird navigation. Then for in case of photosynthesis, quantum entanglement occurs. That means nature uses this science, or nature uses this technology, quantum entanglement. Again, scientists have already made so many technologies by the help of this quantum entanglement. Some noise is coming from outside. Please ignore that noise. Anyway, so this is just the beginning, quantum entanglement. And I have already mentioned that technologies are being developed by the scientists by using this one. But they should remain, this is not applicable for any two particles in the world or in the universe. Not for any two particles. If you create such particles, okay, so that they are deeply linked, means their properties are deeply linked. Their properties means like spin, momentum, energy, etc. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic. Okay, and this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video.